Hello everyone and welcome to my cooking channel. My name is Andrea and today we are going to cook stuffed chicken with cheese and wrapped in bacon. So we have a whole chicken breast, cheese and bacon, parsley, garlic. We have here some spices for potatoes, spices for chicken and potatoes, and also olive oil. Let's cook. Now I'm going to cut the chicken in the middle to create a pocket to hold the stuffing. Now I'm going to fill it with cheese. Now I'm going to add some seasoning. Now it's time to wrap in bacon. So the wrapped stuffed chicken breast looks like this. Now we are going to prepare the potatoes. Now I'm going to add the seasoning. Now we are going to prepare the tray. I'm going to put a glass of water mixed with olive oil. We add the wrapped chicken stuff. And also gonna add the garlic. Now we are going to put the tray in the oven and we leave it for 14 minutes. The stuffed chicken is ready. The stuffed chicken breast wrapped in bacon is ready. Enjoy your meal.